The very last part of the myKW website that we'll look at is your Whitepages profile, sometimes called your KW agent profile. You can get a quick glance at how complete your profile is in the upper left corner of the myKW homepage. Brand new agents typically start at about 26%. Your first piece of homework is to get your profile to 90 to 100% complete. So why does it matter that your profile is complete? The information in your profile will appear on the public KW.com website for anyone searching for a real estate agent. I always use Carolyn Sims as my example here because her profile is 100% complete. She has her link to her Facebook page, her blog, her Twitter page, Google+, and her LinkedIn profile. She even has her marketing videos from YouTube visible on her profile. She also has a slogan, a biography, specialties, designations, and service areas. Your KW agent profile will also include a link to your eAgency website, but this can be changed to your eEdge website if you prefer to use that site. I also use Carolyn as an example because she received an offer on her listing from the KW.com website. Your listings are displayed on your KW.com agent profile page, and the public can click to view them and even make an offer on them. It's this reason that your profile needs to be complete and professional. To complete your Whitepages profile, click Profile next to where your photo should be on the myKW homepage. Next, you'll be presented with 4 columns. There are 2 that are the most important to your profile, the Whitepages column and the My Referrals column. The trick here is that clicking Edit under My Referrals will also allow you to edit your Whitepages info, so I'll click Edit under My Referrals. You can find more in-depth help with completing your Whitepages profile on our office's tech website, and you can always ask me for help if you can't figure something out. For now, I'll give you some quick tips on completing your profile. If you don't belong to a team, you can type our office's name, Keller Williams Realty Elite, in the team name field. As a realtor, you're a specialist in everything, so you can put anything and everything you're comfortable with in the specialty field. FSBOs, luxury homes, HUD, VA, military relocation, land lots and acreages, commercial, and farm and real estate are all possibilities. You can type Realtor in the designations field along with any other titles that apply to you. If you have an MBA, for instance, you could type that here as well. Entering something in the designations field will get you 1 percentage point for your profile completeness. Be creative and come up with a slogan to enter into the slogan field. Your slogan also counts 1% towards your profile completeness. Click Add Service Areas to add cities and neighborhoods that you focus on. Enter a neighborhood or city on this page and click Submit to add a service area. Adding at least one area will get you 5 percentage points on your profile. The Languages Spoken section counts for 1 percentage point, and you can select multiple languages by holding the Control key on a PC or the Command key on a Mac to select more than one language in which you're fluent. Referral notes are only visible to other agents using the myKW Whitepages agent search. Here you should enter what commission you pay to agents providing you a referral. This nets you 1 percentage point towards your profile. Leave the loss mitigation resume blank unless you know that you need to use it. At this point, you should click Save before moving on. The next section allows you to upload your professional photo and is worth 10 percentage points, so it's an important part of your profile. To upload your photo, you'll need Java installed on your computer. The best thing to do here is to email me your high-quality professional photo if you haven't done so already. I'll upload your photo for you. You can correct your first and last name next if you need to. If you would like to change your username that you log into myKW with, please tell me first so I can change it for you and I can be aware of the change. You'll want to make sure your address is the office address, not your home address. This is available for other agents to see. In total, your address counts towards 20% of your profile completeness. Your business and mobile phone each count towards 5% of your profile. Your home phone does not count towards your profile, so enter it only if you're comfortable. Our office's fax number is 405-948-7502. Remember to scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save after every few pieces of information that you add. Next, enter your professional biography for 5 percentage points. A brief resume works well here. Type your biography in Microsoft Word or another app and copy and paste it here in case you accidentally close this page. If you type directly into this page, you may lose what you've typed if you accidentally click back or close the page. It would also be a good time to save this page after entering your biography. Finally, we come to some of the more difficult things that trip up agents. The display URL for KW.com will shorten the link to your KW.com agent profile to KW.com/agent/ then whatever you enter here. For now, just enter your first and last name. If someone has already taken your first and last name, you will need to try something different. Try adding a hyphen between your first and last name. No more than one agent can have the same display URL. Next, we come to the social media links that appear on your KW agent profile. This will require you to know your Facebook and LinkedIn settings, so you may need to set an appointment with me to enter this information correctly. In short, the Facebook URL should only be the username, or sometimes called the vanity URL, to either your personal profile or your business page. The URL to my Facebook business page is facebook.com/KW Elite Tech, so I would only enter KW Elite Tech here. This is 3% of your profile. If you don't have a Facebook page, you can enter KW Elite OKC, which is our office's business page, and you can still get the points for your profile. Your Twitter handle should be your Twitter username, not the full URL to your Twitter page, and do not include an @sign. My Twitter name is KW Elite Tech, so I entered that here. You can enter KW Elite OKC for our office's Twitter account, or KWRI for Keller Williams International's Twitter account if you don't use Twitter but still want the points. This gives you 1 percentage point. Your blog URL should be the full URL to your blog. This must include http:// or the link on your KW agent profile will not work. A blog URL gives you 3 percentage points. You can enter http:// blog.kw.com if you don't have a blog but want the points. The YouTube URL, like the blog URL, must include a full URL that includes http://. Follow that with youtu.be/, then paste the video ID of one video that you want to feature on your profile page. Capitalization in the video ID counts. Your Google Plus link will be the number that follows plus.google.com when viewing your Google Plus profile. This can be difficult to find because there can be multiple strings of numbers in a Google Plus URL. Check with me to make sure you have the correct number. This counts towards 1% of your profile. Finally, like the Facebook section, the LinkedIn field should only include your LinkedIn profile name, not a full URL. It can be difficult to find or set your LinkedIn profile name, so get with me to do so. LinkedIn counts 3% toward your profile. Finally, scroll down to make sure that your email address is correct. By default, you are set up with a personal email address you provided to the office. If you want to use your KW.com email address for your primary business email, replace your email address with it here. This email address is also where the Daily Digest emails from the Market Center intranet will be sent. Remember to click Save before exiting this page. Once you've entered all of your information, you can go back to the myKW homepage and check your profile completeness bar. Some changes may take some time to register, so if you think your completeness bar should be more full, give it a few hours for the changes to register. Remember, your first assignment is to get your profile to 90 to 100% complete.